Success isn't just about talent or hard work. It's about what's around you, your space, your circle, your daily noise. It all shapes you, even when you don't notice. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. If you want to rise, your environment has to rise with you. Let's talk about the invisible force that builds or breaks your future. 1. You become what surrounds you. In a vibrant coastal town, Mia blossomed among colorful murals and the laughter of locals. Each morning she explored the bustling market, absorbing the warmth of friendly vendors who shared their dreams and struggles, igniting her own passions. Her best friend, Carlos, an aspiring musician, filled their evenings with melodies that spoke of hope and resilience. As seasons changed, so did Mia. She transformed from a timid girl into a confident artist, embodying the spirit of her community. Surroundings shaped her identity, revealing that we truly become reflections of those we embrace. 2. Clutter kills clarity. In a world filled with chaos, clutter can muffle the mind's whispers. For many, like Sarah, the weight of disorganization feels like a constant fog, stifling creativity and clarity. Each pile of unreturned emails, mismatched socks, and overflowing shelves served as a visual reminder of inner turmoil. As she began to embrace simplicity, shedding excess material and emotional baggage, Sarah discovered a renewed sense of purpose. With each item she let go, clarity emerged, revealing a vibrant path toward self-discovery and peace. 3. Energy is contagious. Energy is undeniably contagious, weaving through interactions and shaping the atmosphere around us. In a bustling office, a cheerful coworker, filled with enthusiasm, inspires others to tackle their tasks with renewed vigor. Laughter echoes as her positive energy spreads, creating an environment where creativity flourishes. Conversely, in a quiet cafe, a couple's heated argument permeates the air, casting a shadow over patrons. That negativity seeps into conversations, dampening spirits. Whether in friendships, workplaces, or casual encounters, the energy we emit can uplift or drain those around us, profoundly influencing relationships and motivation. 4. Design your space for growth. Designing a space for growth begins with recognizing the profound impact of our surroundings. Imagine a room filled with light, large windows allowing the sun to pour in, walls adorned with inspiring art, and cozy nooks that invite contemplation. Each element serves a purpose, reflecting the vibrant energy of the community and the serenity of nature. Incorporating plants brings life, while a dedicated area for creativity encourages exploration. This harmonious environment cultivates confidence, clarity, and connection, essential for nurturing one's journey toward personal transformation. 5. The power of proximity. Proximity holds an undeniable power, shaping relationships and igniting creativity in ways we often overlook. When we gather closely, ideas flow more freely. An artist finds inspiration in the laughter of friends nearby, while a writer crafts stories fueled by shared moments. Think of a bustling cafe where conversation bubbles, each voice enhancing the collective energy, sparking new thoughts and connections. Emotionally, being near others fosters a sense of belonging, reducing feelings of isolation. The warmth of shared space nurtures bonds, reminding us that togetherness can transform both our hearts and minds. 6. Silence the noise. In the cacophony of life, where chaos often reigns, the search for tranquility becomes a sacred quest. Amidst the clamor of daily demands, I learned the art of silencing the noise, both external and internal. It began with moments of solitude, where I could breathe deeply and embrace stillness. This journey revealed that peace is not merely the absence of sound, but a vibrant presence of clarity. In moments of quiet reflection, I discovered the strength to navigate the tumult, cultivating an inner sanctuary that fosters resilience and serenity. 7. You can build a new environment. Building a new environment is like planting a garden, full of possibilities, yet fraught with challenges. As the walls rise, each brushstroke of color breathes life into the space, inviting creativity and connection. The air buzzes with energy, inspiring laughter and collaboration among those who gather. However, navigating conflicts and aligning visions can be daunting. Yet, through shared experiences and open dialogue, relationships flourish. This vibrant space transforms its inhabitants, igniting hope and fostering growth, proving that together they can cultivate a sanctuary of endless potential. Your environment is not just where you live, it's what you allow, what you tolerate, what you normalize. If you want to grow, build a space that feeds your fire, not one that puts it out. Change your surroundings, change your story, because you're not stuck. You are undefeated. Follow and share this with someone ready to rise.